Good morning and welcome to today's online workout. Today's workout is a little bit longer compared to yesterday. Yesterday was a bunch of very quick 2-minute style sprints. Today we've got an 18-minute AMRAP. So we're just going to be cycling through these movements for 18 full minutes. So you're going to want to find a pace that you can keep up with for the full 18 minutes. And also you're going to want to be able to make sure that you can maintain your breathing and control of your breathing as you move through this. So what we've got today are 8 thrusters, 10 good mornings, and 12 lunges. You can do these with a sandbag, a kettlebell, or a dumbbell, depending on what you have at home, and managing the weight so that you can keep moving through all of these things for 18 minutes. I'm going to demo with the sandbag today because it's what we have available, but if you're using a kettlebell or a dumbbell, you can put those in the front rack position for the lunges. You can also, if you've got 2, you can hold them side to side in a similar front rack position for both the lunges and even the good mornings and the thrusters. So what we've got are 8 thrusters. If we're doing this with a sandbag, we're going to get our sandbag set, and we're going to come up on this as though we're doing a squat. So we're going to come down, bring it up into the front rack position, then we're going to do the full squat and explode up. That's going to be my first thruster. Full squat, explode up, second thruster. So for each of these, we want to keep that sandbag in front of us. Now, if we're doing this with a kettlebell, we can bring this first kettlebell up, bring it into this front rack position, and then go with one arm. Same with the dumbbell. You can alternate on each movement, or you can do, if we've got 8, you can do 4 and 4 with your arms, depending on how you want to manage that. We've then got 10 good mornings. For the good morning, what we're looking for, we're going to set that sandbag up. I'm going to come down, keeping my spine controlled and neutral like I'm doing a squat, and I'm going to pop this behind my neck. So what you saw me do is kind of clean it up and then just lift and put it behind my neck. When I have it behind my head, I don't want it up on my head. Your head and your neck are not in a good position there. I want to have it pretty much on my shoulders. So sitting on my traps behind me, and I'm just holding on to the sides as best as I can. And for these good mornings, we'll have our feet just underneath our shoulders. We don't want to lock our knees out, but we also don't want to have them widely bent because we want to get some activation of our hamstrings and our bottom here. So I'm going to lean forward until I start to feel a stretch, that engagement in the hamstrings, and then I'm standing straight up. That's 1. So coming forward until I feel engagement, and then standing right back up 2. So we're working on this hip opening up, we're working on stretching, and also just engaging the hamstrings and the bottom. So you really want to make sure that as you're coming up, you're thinking about squeezing your bottom so that you feel that engagement on the backside. Finally, we have 12 lunges. Ideally, we would have kept this sandbag up over our head. So now we can keep the bars or the bag here on our shoulders. We can also keep it in a front rack position. But for lunges, we're just going to step forward till our knee softly touches the ground. We have 90 degrees on this other knee, so I want my knee above my ankle. And then I'm just stepping right back. If I have it behind the shoulders, same thing. I'm going to let it rest on my shoulders, step forward, and come right back. We've got 12 of these, so we'll alternate 6 and 6 as we go through that movement. So you've got a handful of options here for weight, however you want to manage that weight. But you're just going to want to find a way to keep moving through this for the full 18 minutes. So find a good pace, go as fast as you can, get as many rounds as you can, and let us know how this workout went for you. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.